guys, it's Kyra from BodyCandy. Today's episode of the tea, we are talking about the pierced person's emergency kit. So it depends what you class as an emergency. Thing from losing your piercing, becoming a bit sore, you really need to change it or take it out. I'm going to cover these. The first thing I would suggest is spare jewellery. Even if these are just like plain little barbells, spare rings, spare O-rings for your stretchers. To keep a few spares in like a little pouch in your bag or in your car. Spare earring backs. Just take spares if you don't fully trust your piercings. The next one I would suggest is saline spray and some lint-free swabs. For whatever reason, you might need to clean your piercings, and if they're new, this could lead to infection if you don't end up cleaning them if you're somewhere and they get dirty. So if you are in the situation where you do actually have to take your piercings out for whatever reason, definitely pack some little pliers, latex gloves, hand sanitizer. Latex gloves are really important actually when you're trying to take your piercings out, because sometimes they're a little bit slippy, the little balls. I've had these conversations about captive balls before. I don't like them. But yeah, latex gloves kind of take the edge off. They give you a little bit more grip, and you're less likely to lose your piercing when you take it out if you have a good grip on it. I would also suggest having a little compartment where you can keep your jewellery if it comes out, if you lose half of it, things like that, just in case you manage to replace it. The amount of times I've been to festivals and lost my stretchers and I've had to go home and they've sized down makes me so mad. So yeah, if you're going somewhere, maybe for more than a day, or you're on a bit of a longer trip, I highly recommend taking a piercing emergency kit. That's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye!